Health Ministry has released the latest COVID numbers, where 53,480 fresh cases are coming out in the last 24 hours alone. Now, 41,280 recoveries have been made in the last 24 hours, but 354 deaths have also been reported in the same period, which is the highest in the last 3 months. The centre has said the COVID situation in India has been becoming from bad to worse over the last few weeks. The government, however, has denied that the mutated strain has a role to play in this surge. The states are being told to enforce COVID-appropriate behaviour and to ensure that those who are above the age group of 45, those people need to be vaccinated in the next 2 weeks, especially in areas where the surge is being seen. The caseload as far as the country is concerned, the COVID situation, the last 24 hours, the cases are increasing and we see the second wave of the COVID situation in the country. We have Arvind with us. Arvind, over 53,000 cases being reported in the last 24 hours alone.
Yeah, Divya, over 53,000 COVID cases have been reported across the country, and also over 350 deaths have been reported across the country. So that's why the centre has called the situation, the COVID situation in the country has gone from bad to worse. In fact, they have also written to the state governments asking them to strictly enforce COVID appropriate behavior and also COVID protocol. In fact, according to the data that what we are learning from our sources, that the high load of cases are seeing in around 46 districts across the country, and the data also shows that around 90% of the deaths have come from the age group of above 45 plus. So that's where the central government has asked the state government to expedite the COVID vaccination process. In fact, from April 1st, the next phase of COVID vaccination will begin, wherein above 45 will be vaccinated. So according to our sources, what they are saying is that they want to vaccinate above 45 criteria, above 45 years old criteria within a span of 2 weeks time, so that the death can be controlled. So that's why the central government want to expedite this vaccination process. They have written to the state governments also. So not just the COVID behavior protocol and also this vaccination process, they have also asked the state government to increase the COVID testing. Also earlier we saw that some states increasingly using antigen tests, but now what we are being told is that the central government has advised the state government to increase the RT-PCR test also, which is called as a golden standard test for the COVID testing. So they have been asked to increase the RT-PCR test also. So three-pronged strategy: one, appropriate COVID behavior; second, to increase the COVID vaccination; and third, to increase the testing. So that's how the central government is planning to deal with the surge of COVID cases across the country.
Right.